So I've been a rep with Agnes Dora since November of 2018, and I have just signed on to become one of the new brand stylists, which is going to be amazing, you guys. I am so excited about the opportunity. All right, you guys, we're going to talk about why these wide leg crops are amazing. So first of all, they feature a 4-button front, which is awesome. There are these beautiful like dark brown and swirled buttons, but what I love is there's also this additional button on the inside. These are made out of polyester, 70%, 25% rayon, and 5% spandex. Wait until I show you how incredible this stretches. I mean, this is the best feature by far. So look at the stretch in that leg. Like, I'm typically a 6'8", and I can actually wear the small in these pants. It's that awesome. All right, the first outfit I've tried on is the wide leg crop with the new Essential high-low sleeveless tunic. So this is such a great style because if you for work need a more conservative tank top that's like the 3 fingers or 4 fingers, this covers the entire shoulder. And I'm loving this turquoise Aztec print. It's got side slits and it comes down lower in the back and it gives you coverage. So this is super cute. This top in particular covers all the buttons of the wide leg crop. But you can see here that they are so stretchy. I can bend my leg up and I can wear my little Birkenstocks and you still see my ankle. You guys, I'm only 5'4", and I love that these pants don't go all the way. They still fit me like a crop. So some things I like to style when I wear this color, which is so beautiful, is like a big turquoise ring and some of my elastic essential oil semi-precious stone bracelets. That's something that I often pair with my outfit. Let me show you something else. Next, I'm going to show you all the ruffle sleeve tee. So this is incredible. I'm going to show you why. I mean, I have this in probably 4 colors. I'm pretty obsessed with it. It's amazing. So it has this great little flared ruffle bell, which I love any of the hippie boho vibes. I really think I was born in the wrong generation. You're going to see throughout my stylings, there's definitely like a boho chic undertone through everything. This fabric is a slub knit, which has the slight texture. And check out, again, the stretch. And it is incredibly soft. Loose, cozy, like boxy. And so like you can wear it untucked, and then you can front tuck it and do like a little French tuck, blouse it out, and show off the buttons on the front. And one thing I'll do is I'll pair cute little tassel earrings. You'll also notice that I, of course, love tassels, and I really like the enhancement of just a simple classic style with a statement piece, and I'm loving these fringe earrings right here. Favorite. Next top I threw on for you is the awesome country road top. Again, a nice flowy bell sleeve, super cute and so on trend. It comes right below my elbow. It's so flattering, and the thing I love about something this cute is like all the fun, you know, is happening in the sleeve, and the collar is very classic, and the waist of the top is also very classic. This has more of a straight cut. It is not super fitted, but it is very flowy. This is the charcoal. If I'm wearing like a really fun big statement necklace, I sometimes won't wear earrings. So this is just like a brass and gray with, again, more tassels and fringe. just simple statement piece. And I threw on a pair of my favorite wooden clogs. Love them, they're so comfy. They give me the boho vibes. What? All right, I want to show you all what I do alongside my boutique. So I work as an art director during the day, and I also am a jeweler. I'm a metalsmith. So I make jewelry and I pair it with my outfits. And I want to show you some of the things I've got. These are some of my lightweight laser cut earrings that I match up with my outfits for my customers in the shop. And these are some essential oil diffuser bracelets. My husband, daughter, and I live in central North Carolina. We have a small family farm. This land has been in the family for many, many generations. And I thought today I'd maybe take you to see some of the farm animals. But warning, you're probably gonna hear a lot of roosters crowing. We might get to see some pigs and some goats. Before we go take a walk, I just wanna show you this other styling I did for fall. So this ruffle sleeve pullover is a must-have piece for fall. It's so adorable. It has the ruffle in the front and it goes down the arm, it twists. You can wear this adorable top with the ruffle in the front or the back. And right now I've got like a partial front tuck in the front. Still wearing it again with my clogs, and you can see my buttons. I can take it out. And this is what it looks like out with the wide leg crops. And if you want to, you could, you know, tuck it all the way in. And because the ruffle is happening here, I didn't want a necklace to cover it. So instead I'm doing another big statement earring. One of my favorite colors is mustard or gold. And I want to show you all this vintage treasure that my friend left me. This awesome mushroom purse. I mean, it just completes the outfit. So cute to have a little statement piece. I threw on another quick outfit before we take the tour to see the animals. Loving the ruffles, the peplum. This is like a canvas material. Look at this detailing right here on the sleeve. It's just, these little details that Agnes and Dora does make all the difference, you guys. So beautiful. I absolutely love it. It's so cute with the wide leg crop. And I've got it paired with some little fringe booties. It's a little bit cooler this morning. It's like in the 60s. And some of my lightweight laser cuts. There's the rooster. Let's go check it out. We're in the goat barn. This is Juniper. We also have some free-ranging chickens. So you're gonna see some of the chickens kind of scurrying away here. Hey girls. How are you? Hey Opal. Hey June. So these are Nigerian dwarf goats. And they are the sweetest girls. I love them so much. Yeah, you're sweet. In addition to raising chickens and goats, we have pigs and we raise those for pork, and then we also have a veggie garden. Taking a walk, it's like over the river and through the woods to the pigs. There's nearly 30 acres here, so sometimes I find myself out of breath walking through the farm. We're almost there. Hey piggies. How are you guys doing? Looks like someone's been playing in the mud. Muddy pigs. These are our Hereford pigs. And their mom, Petunia, in the back. Here's a little view of the farm. That's the garden back there. Just some of the lovely sights we see here in Sophia, North Carolina. Okay, you guys, this is it. So one of my most signature things is to have a hat, especially transitioning into fall. I love a big floppy felt hat. And then I have a kimono on. So kimonos are like my go-to layer for all seasons to throw on a little bit of variety. So I just wanted to show you the beautiful pattern of this boho print. There's like a darker mauve, purple, rust, and then a nice light cream. It's just a good little bit of detail giving you all the Stevie Nicks vibes. This one is actually sized up, one is a medium. These run big, but there's so much fun stuff you can do throwing it over a dress, jeggings, or something cute like these crops.